Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Maddie. Thank you so much for joining. Today I am doing yet another long-awaited Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes unboxing for you guys. My box came, I don't know if you guys can see this. She is just busted up, you know? Oh, I'm pretty sure I just showed everyone my address. That is a-okay. Want to come say hi? Hello, how's it going? So this is my March Bibbidi Bobbidi. If you haven't seen my other one that I explained how I'm a little bit behind, I will leave it up here, as well as my Disney playlist down below. Basically, I am super excited I finally get to open this. Like I was saying, this is my March box. I'm super excited. I am a Dreams subscription service, so mine is, I think, $39.99. I could be wrong, guys. I say this every single time. I should know this. Get with the program. I'm just gonna say it's $39.99. I get the lowest tiered box. They have, I think, 5 different variations. It's like $39, $49, $59. Now they have a $99 and then a $119. Those are different levels that they have. So I get the lowest one at the moment. Right now, I am not subscribed any longer. I do still have one more box to unbox with you guys, and that is it for at the moment. And then once the borders open up and I'm able to get this again, I am Canadian. I have a P.O. box, by the way. Just wanted to get that out there. Don't come for Bibbidi Bobbidi. I have a P.O. box. So basically, once the borders open, I will resubscribe, because honestly, who doesn't want a slice of Disney right to their door? Like, I don't know. Again, I have the $39.99. If you guys wanted to sign up with them, I will leave a link in the description box below. I am no way affiliated with them. I just honestly love this company. And if you haven't heard of Bibbidi Bobbidi, where have you been? It is a monthly Disney subscription service that is customized for you. Yes, you. So for me, I do love everything that's not necessarily princess. I am more of the Pixar. I am more of the Haunted Mansion, Nightmare Before Christmas, Coco, villains, sidekick, stuff like that. I still love my princesses, but that's not for me. So what I have done is I've signed up for this. I've created my preference manager. I've gone through, filled in all my information of what I like and what I don't like. And now this box has been curated for me, which is pretty awesome. So if you guys are ready, like I am ready, then let's get into this freaking unboxing. So if you're new here, I always let you guys have the first look. I have just taken off the plastic wrap. I haven't looked inside what is in here. So we're gonna pop open the top and I'm gonna give you guys the first look. Let's go. What do we see? Oh, there goes my packing slip. So I have purple tissue this time. And right on top is a quick note about your box. So basically what this is like I was talking about that preference manager, I have checked off that I am okay with receiving lesser items as long as it has the same amount of value. So I'm pretty sure the Dream subscription, you get 2 to 3 items, give or take obviously the value. And then when you receive one of these, you may only get 1, you may only get 2. Again, it depends on what they've sent you and what's been in your box. So I'm gonna quickly open this tissue paper and give you guys the first look. Now I do feel something kind of hard on top, so I'm not too sure. So let's just quickly, oh, there's confetti flying everywhere. Okay guys, do you see? What do we have? I am about to cry. Oh my. Guys. I am freaking out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I have wanted this for so long. Guys, it's a Loungefly. It's a Loungefly backpack, guys. This is my first Loungefly backpack. Just like Bibbidi Bobbidi, they gave me my first Spirit jersey. And just like Bibbidi Bobbidi, they gave me my first pair of ears. So now they've given me my first Loungefly. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the detail on this. Barrel, I love you. This is freaking insane. Okay, let's look at the inside. Okay, it's striped just like Jack Skellington's outfit. Oh my gosh, there's little bones on the side. This side has the Nightmare Before Christmas Loungefly tag on it. It has the zipper and the stuff in the front. And again, this is lined Don't know if you can see there, like Jack's outfit. Okay, so now I'm not too sure because I don't have Loungeflies. Is this the mini or is this a regular? Because I know they have now came out with minis, but I don't think it has the pocket on the front. This could be the regular one, but oh my God. I don't even know. I don't even know what to say, honestly. Brenda, Becky, Amanda, let me just tell you that I love you guys so much. Honestly, these boxes bring so much joy to me every single month, and they just keep getting better and better and better. Like, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. I just need to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I forgot to show you my packing slip as I went flying across the room earlier when I opened up the box. But we do have Figment on the top right there. And let it see. So it says Loungefly Disney Nightmare Before Christmas Barrel Cosplay Mini Backpack. Okay, so this is the mini. I was confused. Anyways, so this retails for $70, guys. $70. And I pay $39.99. And I just got a freaking Loungefly backpack. How do you ladies do this? Oh my God. Oh, again, Brenda, Becky, and Amanda, thank you guys so much. You guys have been honestly, I don't even know, like, great. You have been so great to me. I'm so thankful. I know your business is booming right now, and I'm so happy because you guys deserve it. Honestly, 10 out of 10 recommend. Again, I'm nowhere affiliated with them at all, and I am just blown away every single month. Honestly, thank you guys so much. This is going on a shelf. This is going to be presented to the world as beautiful as it is. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!